Hello guys, today I want to talk about a trade that I took on GBPJPY and it was a loss. The thing is that I want to be as transparent as possible in this channel, and my goal is not to convince you that I am the best trader in the world or I have a 100% strike rate or something like that. I just want to be transparent and show you what trading is really about. So let's move on analyzing the charts. So the daily structure was bearish. Okay, so this was the big structure, the swing structure. It was bearish, and here what I saw was this sweep of liquidity here on the daily, and then a clear shift with a lot of momentum, and price came back again with the same momentum to this POI. So this POI was not strong enough for me, it was just an extra confluence for my idea. So let's move on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour I decided to mark the structure very tight, and as I was within this daily supply, I saw these equals that got swept by this candle here, and I marked this demand, this 4 hour range, as an con for sells, but as I had a lot of liquidity below to target that could potentially act as a magnet for lower prices, this didn't bother me so much. So let's move on. So what I saw, so swing and internal structure were both bullish. Price came, swept some liquidity here, which was on the 4 hour, was the liquidity on the 4 hour, the equals that I told you about, and then started moving down with a lot of momentum. I was concerned about this week here, but I was more aware that I had perfect equals below and inducement and sweep, which gave me a high probability POI to work with, and I had liquidity to target. So I didn't enter directly here because of this week. I was concerned of this week, so I went to M1 and I waited on M1 for a shift. Just you see, we have liquidity sweep here and liquidity sweep above here, and we have a strong shift. Then I put a risk entry. Here, and my target was 1 to 2R as always, but it ended up being a loss, and that's just a part of the game. For me, this setup was a 60% win probable setup, just because of this demand range and the tight price action we were in. If we had like a bit more room, like if this setup here happened up here, so let me do that, inducement here, if this setup happened up here, it would have been much higher probability to trade it. But this is just the nature of the market, and we all take losses and we all take wins. The thing is, we just need to keep on learning and be 1% better every day. So that was it for today. See you guys on the next one.